colors of Very Good Nail.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing the 101 colors of Very Good Nail, a nail polish set. Very Good Nail is a high-quality Korean nail polish brand that offers a great selection of colors. It is one of the most popular gel nail polish brands in Asia with a simple but cute bottle design, long-lasting shine without cracking, peeling, lifting, and pretty colors. Very Good Nail promises 4 things. It minimizes damages on nails, excellent pigmentation, glossy effect, and a smooth application. We have purchased this directly from the Very Good Nail website, and I have included the link below, and it is shipped directly from Korea to Canada.
So the Very Good Nail bottle reminds me of Squid Game a little bit. It's got a triangle, a circle, it's just missing a star.
Here you go. Now we have the 101 bottles. Now let's take a look at the individual bottle and the texture of the polish.
This, it comes with a non-white top coat, but doesn't come with a base coat. Does not come with a base coat. What is the gel? Syrup gel. So it has 8 colors of syrup gel.
So this set does remind me a lot about the 100 colors of Gentle Pink, and if you haven't seen that video, please click on the link above, and I will see you next time.